A concrete house is a house whose primary structural element is concrete. Concrete houses have become really popular in the past several years. That's been used in construction for thousands of years. Normally, it's a structural material only and not necessarily left exposed. In the 1950s and 60s, it became popular to leave concrete exposed in what became known as brutalist architecture. This kind of faded away and now has come back. The idea of leaving concrete exposed in the past 20 years has become really popular again. The pros. First is aesthetics. I think concrete is pretty cool, looks awesome. This is a great aesthetic for a house. Concrete allows for a lot of design flexibility. Concrete is mixed, it is poured into forms. So if you can make a form, you can make any shape, as long as you can make the form. So you can make curved concrete, straight concrete, any type of patterns can be done in the concrete as long as you can make form work in order to pour concrete into. Another advantage of concrete houses is that you can build sustainably and to passive house design standards. Concrete is not going to be automatically sustainable. No construction system is automatically sustainable. It's the entire design of the house, the entire system, all the features put together that results in passive house or sustainable design. So you can certainly build sustainably with concrete. The most important feature of sustainability is reducing energy costs, so you want to have energy efficient design, good insulation, airtight construction. But the second most important thing I always say about sustainability is that it should be built to last. Building a house twice is less sustainable than building it once. Okay, so concrete is a very durable construction. It's very fire resistant construction. These are great durability features for a long lasting house that'll be there forever, that you can leave to your children and grandchildren. Okay, concrete is a common material. Pretty much you can find it anywhere. There are some issues with architectural concrete and labor we'll talk about in the cons, okay, but it is generally common material. Concrete is good for high risk areas. Concrete is great for flood zones, great for hurricanes, great for extreme conditions, but it's also can be built anywhere. So you don't have to be in a high risk area to build with concrete. So aesthetic of concrete, but you like the idea of building with concrete for its strength, durability, and fire rating, then this might be something you want to take into consideration. In my opinion, concrete houses are just about the coolest houses you can possibly design. Hit subscribe, hit the like button, and leave comments below. Thank you for listening.